Hello everybody, today I have an exciting unboxing for you of the new iPhone 12. Now this ain't mine, this is for my sister. It has come time for her to upgrade her phone. So she's upgrading from the XR to the new 12. Okay, so this is going to be her new phone. Okay, so what we have here is, this one here is the green version. Okay, now this one here is a 64 gigabyte. I'm noticing that if you take a look, the capacity is now on here. If you can see it there, it's not on the back of the box anymore. And this box is actually really thin. As you can see, it's so thin. Okay, and we're going to see why it's so thin. All right. So, of course, we need to peel it open. A little arrow here. So we just peel this. Okay, and then this comes off. All right, so that's the rubbish. Now, just be sure it's in the camera. Now we'll lift the lid up. And there we have the iPhone 12 itself. Okay, so let's lift it out. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, the screen protector's different on this one. As you can see, they've also put some symbols on here. We got the plus, minus. We got this little speaker there and the power symbol. Okay, and here's the back of it. And it looks like I'm already getting fingerprints all over it. We have our dual camera, of course. And we have our LED flash. Now, this is the standard 11. It's not the 11 mini. 12, sorry. This is the standard 12. It's not the mini 12. So this is the standard one. All right. So let's peel this screen protector off. And there we have the front of the screen right there. Okay. Now, one thing to note about this design is that it looks very similar to the iPad, to the new iPad Pros and the new iPad Air, iPad Airs. Okay. But one thing we did retain is the Lightning connector, so we didn't lose that. Okay. So it's still Lightning. Okay. So we didn't lose it, which is good. Okay. It's still a home buttonless iPhone. We don't have a home button. We do have our power button, and we have our volume buttons, our mute switch, and our SD and our SIM part. Okay, so we'll set this here. Now inside the box we get our Lightning cable, except this one is a USB-C to Lightning. Okay, so we don't get USB-A anymore. So Apple have finally stopped supplying that. So it's USB-C now. Okay, and we also get designed by Apple in California. Okay. And inside here we have our SIM removal tool and our instructions. And of course we only get one Apple sticker with this iPhone instead of two. So that's quite interesting. So this is the first iPhone to ever have just only one Apple sticker. And this is also the first iPhone that does not come with any headphones or a plug. So that means that you're going to have to purchase them separately from now on. Okay, so this iPhone does not come with the plug. So that means if you had the USB Type A, you're going to have to purchase a new plug. I just happen to have one out here. Okay, so if you wish to use this cable with this iPhone, and you had the older iPhone, you're going to have to purchase a new plug, because apparently they don't come with it. Okay, so you're going to need to purchase one of these and the phone. So that's two things that you will need to purchase to get the whole kit from now on. Okay, and if you want headphones, you will need to purchase them separately, or you just use the headphones from your old iPhone. Okay, now once again, this iPhone does lack the headphone jack, so there's no headphone jack on this, so you're going to have to purchase a pair with a Lightning connector or purchase the wireless AirPods. Okay, so that's basically all there is in the kit this time. So that's why the box is so thin this time, because you don't have the plug anymore. Okay, but anyhow, we'll set all this off to the side and we'll power up this iPhone for the first time. So here we go. Okay, we have our Apple logo there. And another thing I should mention, that this is the first iPhone to support 5G as well. Okay, and it says hello. So let's swipe to open. We want English. We want Australia, so let's find it. Let's find Australia right there. Yep, and it's saying hello, quick start. Okay, so I'm going to leave that for my sister to set up, because I don't have her Apple ID. We don't use the same Apple ID, apparently. We're on separate IDs. Okay, so that is the iPhone 12. Okay, the new 12 with this nice slim design. It looks very similar to the design we had on the iPhone 5 and the SE 1. Okay, except I think it's a little bit thinner. Okay, so this is pretty cool. And this phone is so light. Okay, so that's it. So that is the iPhone 12 64GB in green. Okay, So be aware that when you do buy this, be aware that you won't be getting this. Okay, so if you want one, you will need to purchase it separately. Okay, so so that is it. So I hope you enjoyed, and that'll be it.